welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a Christmas makeup look. This is pretty much what I'm going to wear for this Christmas. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Also, all the products which I have used in this video will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out.
For the foundation, I'm using Lakme's 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Foundation. This is medium to buildable coverage foundation. I have done a full review of it on my channel. I will link the video in the description box. Check that out. Now for concealer, I'm using NYX Photo Focus Concealer. This is also full coverage concealer. I'm just concealing my under eye and the lids of my eye. Then I'm highlighting bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow and chin. Everything, I'm using the compact powder by Maybelline. It's their Fit Me range. For my eyebrows, I'm using Mars eyebrow palette. You get two shades, black and brown. I'm mixing both of them and filling my eyebrows. For my eyes, I'm using NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this brown shade and just lining my crease. Make sure that you blend the color really well. Now I'm taking this purple shade and just patting it to my eyelid and creating that smoky look. I'm putting into the lower lash line as well. I'm taking this champagne shade and just placing it to the middle of my eyelid. You can see how pretty the color is. And now I'm blending everything so that there are no harsh lines. For the eyeliner, I'm using Nina's eyeliner pencil. Mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. I'm using this palette by LA Girl and I'm using this brown shade and contouring my cheekbones. I'm contouring my jaw as well. And with the same shade, I'm contouring my nose. Now I'm taking this pink shade and applying it on the apples of my cheek. This highlighting shade and just applying to the high points. For the lip liner, I'm using Miss Claire's lip liner in the shade Carrot Red. And I'm lining my lips as well as filling it in. For the lipstick, I'm using this beautiful shade by Flower Beauty. This is the final look.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.